Absolutely amazing. It's a brilliant product.
AIKO really puts in some extra work to go the extra mile.
Absolutely mind-blowing. I think they're doing a great job already.
The performance of the panels, the quality of the manufacturing, and the diligence that goes into the manufacturing is absolutely amazing. We will be doing AIKO for a long time in the future. It's a brilliant product to work with.
I think we can see with today's visit that AIKO really puts in some extra work to go the extra mile and invest in new technology. With the copper bus bars, making it more durable, and all the other things they're doing to improve it on a finer level.
Absolutely mind-blowing to see the technology. Very impressive. I think they're doing a great job already.
We installed a few megawatt towards the end of last year using AIKO modules. On a specific project where we had complex shading issues, we actually received a higher output by 12% on average over the 3 months versus our yield forecast. So in a real world scenario, we would say that we definitely saw the value in it. So for us, I think it's a no-brainer using AIKO going forward.
So working in the South African conditions, we face a lot of dust, a lot of high UV conditions, a lot of durability constraints. So we require a panel of high quality. And so the inspection, or at least the confidence that we gain through the site visit and also seeing the quality that AIKO imposes on the inspection, early detection of micro cracking, the laminate process that's exceptional. It's giving us a lot of confidence that this is a panel that's an investment grade panel for 30 years.
With this 3% at the end of 20 years that we've got a better yield still with the panel, it just screams of being a better investment than the upfront capex.
Efficiency becomes more important, where that can make a big influence on the end of the project. So for us as a project developer and owner of assets, it does make a big difference, and we will definitely use them going forward.